Hi friends, today I will be discuss on very important chapter work and wages. I will discuss only important facts which are essential for us and it is also essential to solve the question related to this topic. So you always remember this fact in mind to easily solve the question. The concept is the wages of a person are proportional to the work done by him and inversely proportional to the time taken to do the work. It means wages indirectly proportional to time and wages directly proportional to work. Suppose A will be taken 5 days to complete any work, 5 days, and B taken 6 days. Then wages equal to 6 into 5 ratio as per time, and as per work completed equal to 6 into 5 directly proportional. So you always keep the concept in mind to solve the question. Second, if a person finish a work in n days, then the work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by n. Suppose A will be taken 5 days, then work done in 1 day is equal to 1 by 5. Okay. Next, if 1 by n work take 1 day to finish, then time taken to complete the work equal to n. Suppose A will be taken 1 by 5 work in 1 day, then he will be complete in equal to 5 days. Okay. Next, if the work done in 1 day is 1 by n, then the work done in x days equal to x by n. Suppose A work done in 1 day equal to 1 by 5. Then work done in 6 days equal to 1 by 5 into 6 equal to 6 by 5. This will be as per कॉन्सेप्ट. तो दोस्तों मैं कहना चाहूँगा, कर्म ही धर्म है, कर्म ही धर्म है, ज्ञान ही ईश्वर है. विशुद्ध मन से लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति, विशुद्ध मन से लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति, यही तो कर्म का सार है. धन्यवाद.